Hi guys, and today I'm going to be upcycling a couple t-shirts using coronavirus inspired designs. I actually got the idea from a drawing that my daughter Violet did of a girl wearing a little kitten mask. Now I'm going to be using a different hair pattern that I went ahead and I outlined, and then I'm going to fill in with a sponge technique. You can see I've laid out some fabric paints onto a disposable palette. They're just these little brush on fabric paints you can get at a craft store. I also have some fabric markers, and I have a ton of puff paints and different things like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those yet, but I may. I'm going to come in with my first color. Start just kind of randomly dabbing. Okay, so after I finished sponging all the colors on, I went ahead and went in with a little brush and I got right up to the edges that I outlined in the black fabric marker. I'll actually end up going over that again. And while I was waiting for some of that to dry, I went ahead and did the sketch of the face there in the middle. And then I cut out the picture of the face that I'm going to use as a mask because I'm going to do some paint splatter. Okay, so with the drawing covering the face so that we don't get the actual shirt painted, just kind of position that how we want it. I'm going to take a brush, dip it in the paint, and splatter. And I'm going to paint the bottom because I'm actually going to be fringing the edges here and then on the sleeves. So I went ahead and painted the sleeves and then the bottom. I removed the edges from the collar, the sleeves, and the bottom. And now I'm going to start making some fringe. And to do that, I'm actually going to go through both sides and I'm going to just start cutting. Okay, so try to keep your distance the same here at the top, and then you're going to take an edge, you're going to pull it and see how it curls up, pull it, oop, pull. Okay, so I have finished doing the fringe, and it's really starting to come together now. Next, I'm going to color in some of the face, and then I'm going to do some text. And I'm just going to freehand that, so I'm hoping for the best. Okay, I'm going to show the results of the shirts at the end, but for now I'm going to start on the second shirt. This shirt will be for Jackson, and it's an alien. I'm actually going to do like a galaxy looking image here, starting with some bleach. This is only for adults. Now you can use a spray bottle and spray it on, but I'm actually just going to take some bleach on a rag and I'm going to dab it. Okay, now I'm going to come in with some blue. Last thing on the painting is to take a little white, and I'm just going to kind of go crazy, flicking it all over the image. If you get too much white, you can always go back in with some black or another color and just kind of dab away any areas you don't want. And here are the finished shirts. Mask on my face.
6 feet of space.
Give me my distance.
You thought I was going to say space.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in every week for new videos. And please check out our other channels, Let's Pretend Kids and Jack's to Adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!